In this video, we will learn how to extract date using regular expression in Python. Let's import regular expression library. Import RE. RE stands for regular expression. I'll make one variable D, and in this I will save some dates along with some characters. The first will be 11/07/2020. Then I'll put a slash here, JK. Then one more date, 11/07/2020. Then I'll put a slash here and put anything here. Then I will write date once more time, 11/07, and this time instead of 2020 I will just write 20, and here I have to put one more 0, 2020. Now in this variable D you will see that I have written date thrice. This is the first one and this is in a different format, 11/07/2020. Here this is the second time, 11/07/2020. Here I am using backslash, and here is the last time, the third time, 11/07, and here I am just writing 20, not 2020. Let's execute our code. Let's print our variable D. Now I'm going to extract these dates using the regular expression. Let's print dates. I will call our library RE. From this I will use the method find all, and then I will type R here, and now here I will have to type the pattern. First I will write D. D stands for any digit or any number. So D will contain all the number. Now I will give the pattern. The pattern is it should contain two numbers because we have two numbers here, 11. So I am writing it should contain two numbers followed by backslash or dash, because after two numbers we are having dash, or here we are having a backslash. Then again I will write here, I have to put a backslash here, then I'm writing a backslash here. I will type D. D stands for digits or numbers. The next pattern will be it should contain two numbers, and the pattern will be followed by backslash or dash, and then finally I will write D. D for number, and this time it should contain four number instead of two, because for 2020 there are four numbers, that is why here I am writing 4. I'll put a single quotes here, and then I will pass our variable D. Here I am defining the pattern. I am calling the library regular expression, and from this I am using the method find all, and inside this I am defining the pattern, and the pattern is slash D. Slash D indicates all numbers. 2 here indicates we want at least two number because in our date we have two number. Then here slash or dash, it means then it should be separated by slash or dash. Here we can see that it is separated by dash, and here it is separated by slash. Then again it should contain two digits because month also contain two digits here, and it should be separated by backslash or dash. Then last we want numbers, and the number should be in 4 digits because 2020 contains 4 digits here. Let's execute our code. In the output you can see that we got two dates. We have three dates here. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one, but we got only two dates because our pattern says in the last digit it should be 4. It should be 4 in number, and 2020 is 4. This 2020 is also 4, but this 20 is in two digits. So to extract this we have to use a different pattern. I'll copy this code from here, I'll paste it here, and now instead of putting 4 I will write here 2. In the output you can see that we got the last date also, but here you will see in our first and second date 2020 is missing. We are getting only 20 here, and here also we are getting 20. 120 is missing here, and 120 is missing here. We also have to find a solution for this. I'll copy this code from here, I'll paste it here, and now here I will write it should contain either 2 digits or 4 digits, because our date has, here we have 4 digit, but here we have only 2 digits. That is why here we are passing 2 or 4. That is, it should contain either 2 digits or 4 digits. Let's execute our code. In the output you can see that now we got the exact result. This is what we wanted. So we got the first date 11/07/2020, then 11/07/2020, and the last one 11/07/2020. But what if I change some pattern here? For example, I'll copy this code from here and I'll paste it here. Now instead of putting 11, I'll just write 1 here, and here also I will just write 1. Here also I will just write 1 here. I'll copy this code from here. I'll execute this. I'll print the variable d, and I'll copy this code from here and paste it here. And in the output you will see that we got a blank list here. This time we are using the same code, that is this code here, but here we are getting a blank list. And what is the reason? Because you will notice that here we are passing 2 digits. So we are saying that it should contain at least 2 digits, but here you will see our date is containing only 1 digit here. So we have to delete this 2 and we have to write 1 here. And now let's execute our code. So we got 1/07/1/07/2020. So you have to make sure when you are dealing with the dates, you have to match the pattern, and then only you will be able to get the accurate results. And here also we can make changes. I'll copy this code from here. I'll paste it here, and now I will just remove 0. From here also I will remove 0. Here also I will remove 0. Let's print our variable d. Now I will copy this code. I will paste it here. Let's execute our code. In the output you can see that we got a blank list, and this time I'm sure you got it why we got a blank list here. Because instead of 2 we have to pass 1 here, because our month is also containing only 1 digit here, not 2 digit. So we have to remove this 2 and we have to put 1 here. Now let's execute our code again. In the output you can see that we got a proper result here: 1/7/2020, 1/7/2020, and 1/7/2020. This is how you can work with dates using regular expression. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.